This is a recast of the 300-word piece, Artistry in Pixels Using Digital Signage in Contemporary Installation, from Loot.tech. Let's listen in.
The article talks about how digital signage is being used in arts, design, and experimental spaces. It's not just for advertising anymore. Artists and designers are using this technology to create unique and engaging installations.
One of the main applications mentioned is the creation of interactive installations. These are artworks that encourage audience participation, creating a dynamic relationship between the viewer and the artwork.
The article gives an example of an installation called Pixel Forest by Swiss artist Pipilotti Rist. It featured thousands of LEDs hanging from the ceiling, and the audience was invited to walk through the forest and become part of the ever-changing light show.
Another interesting use of digital signage in art is the creation of immersive environments. This helps to construct spaces that deliver a fully engaging sensory experience. The article mentions TeamLab Borderless in Tokyo, where digital signage is used to create a network of interlocking rooms with floor-to-ceiling projections that change and interact with the viewer's presence.
Digital signage is also widely used in visual jockeying performances, or VJing. VJs use software to create visuals that are projected on stage in real time, reacting to music and creating a mesmerizing audiovisual experience.
Finally, the article mentions how digital signage is complementing traditional art concepts and methods, giving rise to a unique approach known as digital art. This includes projections, holography, three-dimensional mapping, and virtual reality, offering artists new ways to express their thoughts and ideas.
In conclusion, digital signage has become an important medium for artists and designers. It allows them to push the boundaries of their work and engage viewers in a whole new way.
By marrying technology and creativity, artists using digital signage are paving the way for an exciting and innovative future in the world of art.
That's it for today.